Hammaga assalom. Bugun sizlar bilan darsni boshlaymiz, guys. Okay. Okay, we're going to start, guys. Okay. Xo'p, qaraymiz. Bugun lesson sizlar bilan. What's happening here? O'zi o'tgan darsda ham bizlarda notebook buzilib qoluvdi. Lesson. Okay, lesson. Xo'p, bugun sizlar bilan lesson tak. Nechida? Tak. Okay. 7. 7-chi dars va reading bo'yicha 3-chi dars ko'ramiz, guys. Okay. We're going to start. Okay. Hop. Qaranglar, bugungi tekstimiz shunaqa ekan. U oxirgacha qildinglar deb o'ylayman, guys. Okay. Okay. 520 years ago, there dwelled in one Middle States, okay, a man whom shall call, okay, Fauntleroy. Короче, 5 yokida 20 deyapman. Yeah, 20 degan 20, guys, okay. 20 yil avval debdi, то что bu yerda middle, ya'ni o'rta shtatda bitta odam bo'lgan ekan, qaysiki uni Fauntleroy deb Fauntleroy, короче, shunaqa odam bo'lgan ekan, qaysiki shu Fauntleroy degan ism deb aytgan ekan, to что wealth degani boylik degan. Okay. A man of wealth, ya'ni boylik, magnificent tastes and prodigal expenditure. His home might almost be styled a palace. Yani как будто saroydek turgan ekanda. His habits and ordinary sense, okay, princely. His home being seemed to have crystallized itself into external splendor. Okay, wherewith he glittered his eyes of the world, and had no other life than upon of the gaudy surface. He had married the lovely woman whose nature was deeper than his own. Ну, короче, u uylangan ekan, to что bitta ayolga, u qaysiki judalarda chuqurroq bo'lgan. No, o'zini hayotini aytib beryapti-da bu yerda, guys. Ko'ryapsizlar, bu yerda idea вообще kamda. Idea вообще kamligi uchun ham juda zo'r degandim, guys, okay? Okay. Просто tamom qurib ketyapti, chunki juda issiq, 50 gradus, guys. Juda issiq. No, shu uchun ham. Okay. But his affection to her, though it showed largely, was superficial, okay, like all other manifestations and developments. No, ideas ketyapti bu tomonda o'zini hayoti haqida. He didn't truly keep her noble creature in heart, where his beauty of the most brilliant ornament of the outward state, and there was born to him a child, beautiful daughter, whom he took from the beneficent hand of God, with no just sense of her immortal value, but as a man already rich in games would receive another jewel. No, boshqa boylik ham kelib turgan ekan o'shandan. If he loved her, u yaxshi ko'rganida, it was because it's shown. Okay. So bu o'zini hayot haqida aytib berdi, qisqa qilib, guys. Xo'p, endi savolga qaraymiz. Savolini endi ko'ramiz, guys. Okay. We're going to look, guys. Okay, endi bizlar savoliga ko'rayotgan bo'lsak, the main idea. Okay, the main of idea passage that Fulton Roy, okay, committed a crime. Crime haqida вообще jinoyat qildimi yoki yo'qmi, punished by the u haqida yo'q bizlarda hozircha. Was a superficial man who ruined his own weakness. No, spent too much money. Money haqida kelmayapti bizlarda. Was a guilt ridden. Yo'q. Значит, bida. Chunki deganda то что aytdik-ku, то что da boyligi bo'lsa ham, no lekin deb qaniydir oddiyroq bo'lgan deb o'zini просто вот wealthy person deb qilgan. Xo'p, styled. Nima ma'no beryapti 5-sida? Stilniy deyapti-ku. O'shanda o'qidik bizlar. Designed, called. Birinchi qaytamiz. Balki designeddan bo'lishi mumkin, styled, colleddan bo'lishi mumkin. Okay. 5-sida style the place. No, ko'ringan his home might almost be styled. Styled значит name it. Bu tomona kelyapti. Name it. No, name it. Guys, name it. Kelyapti bu tomonda. Oh my god, what's happening here? Mayli. Call it ma'nosida kelyapti bu tomonda. Endi qizi bilan nima bular argue qilmoqchi, ya'ni agree degani bu degani вот qo'shilmoqda guys. Okay guys, hop. The narrator would almost agree with which statement about the Fauntleroy daughter. Endi o'shanga qaytamiz guys. Nima haqida aytgan ekan? No, o'qidik, no lekin ozgina вот tushunmay qolibmiz guys. Okay. Hop, and there born to him a child, значит judalarda zo'r bolasi вот tug'ilgan ekan o'sha payti, whom he took from the beneficent hand of God. No, как и qani desam, shuni judalarda zo'r qo'ldan olgan ekan. No, xotki, no, bunaqangi переносный значение deydi-ku, o'shanaqa значениеda keladi bu. There is no just sense of the immoral value man reach. Endi da, no, lekin bu tomonda hozir qizi haqida keldi. Da. Mal, endi ko'ramiz. Tak. She was no your unique haqida yo'q or special qualities. Qanaqangidir supergiroy bo'lmaganki. Okay, A is out. B. She was underappreciated. Yes, chunki deganda underappreciated juda xursandchilik olib kelmagan unga baribir. Juda zo'r bo'lsa ham xursandchilik olib kelmagan, guys. Aytganki, вот bu tomonida, guys. Okay? Let's see. Here, qaranglar. Man rich girls, another. Unga boshqa ham вот pul ajralib kelgan demoqchi, shu uchun ham unga xursandchilik ham kelmagan buni. Вот. Okay. Agarda u yaxshi ko'rganida, вот, yaxshi ko'rmagan значит u. Agarda вот ifli gaplar, sizlarga o'taman grammatikadan. Ifli gaplardan qaranglar. Agarda pastda kelayotgan bo'lsa yoki presentda bo'lganida edi deb aytadi. No, lekin bo'lmagan. U shown degani qanday desam, u charaqlab turgan. Okay? Значит, underappreciate bo'ladi. She was very much like yo'q, yaxshi ko'rmagan. Aytdik-ku to, что agarda yaxshi ko'rganda edi, deyapti. Shu uchun ham juda yaxshi ko'ringan emas. Made the boss of the parents proud. Yo'q, u haqida boshqa gap yo'q. No, sizlar qolganini ham o'qib chiqasizlar, guys. Hozir darsni pauza qilyapmiz, guys. Okay, to'xtatamiz. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed, guys. Goodbye everyone. Take care, guys. Bye. Take care, guys. Bye.